road rage dito. So I'll be going back to Manila. Vlogger yan. Gusto niyo yan? Charot.
You broke my heart, oh God, for goodness sake.
But I can't make him stay. Can I get a hell no? 'Cause we gonna go.
Go, kuya. Kita niyo yung red car na yan? Kanina pa niya ako, ayaw pa overtaken. Lintik lang ang walang ganti. Charot! So nasa harapan ko na naman siya, 'di ba? Yan natin. Attitude eh. Char. I remember. Tingnan mo? Yan amazing.
I'd be losing you in another life. I would be your girl.
Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, one caramel macchiato, extra hot decaf, grande.
Anything else?
Yun lang.
Okay.
Decaf ha, sir?
Sure.
Thank you.
Ma'am, prepare ko lang po. Hold lang kita dyan for a minute.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dito na ba?
Hit me, baby, one more time.
So ano, magpa-Fast and the Furious ba tayo dito sa SLEX? Syempre hindi. Tanda na tayo. No. Wala lang akong energy and lakas ng loob to do that. So kalma, hanggang 80 lang tayo. 80 miles per hour. Charot! Siyempre kph, kilometers per hour. Guess what? It's gonna be me.
Desires and aspirations. This book is both your guide and your toolkit for reconstruct your journey, your life, and ultimately your happiness. Finally, it's okay to be sad, angry, or afraid. These feelings don't define you, but ignoring them is an opportunity to prove it to yourself. Then, set, reflect, discover, love, improve, because you're worth it. But a few close bonds that truly understand and support you.
Guys, tingin kayo dun sa kanan. Yan yung mga traffic enforcers. Ingat kayo dyan. Super. I'm here after 2.5 hours. And so fast. Ate. Kaya mo pa ba? Te, ito pa nga. Talong yan ng mama.
Oo nga ako nag-ani nito. Naiwanan.
Ani talaga.